Each and every company which is a public limited company, I'm not talking about private limited companies, okay? So each and every company which is public limited company and which is listed on the stock market, we are going to see today how to find out financial statements of such companies to check a company's profitability, liquidity, solvency, and the efficiency of operations with which it works, right? So, how you're going to find out the company's financial statements that we are going to see today. The clue to this is now if you wish to find out financial statements, you need to go to the annual reports. Now, annual reports, you can easily understand the reports which are published annually, okay? So, every year a company publishes the reports. In those reports, you will find out the financial statements. Now, first of all, what is meant by annual reports, where you're going to find out these statements? You can easily understand annual report is nothing but a comprehensive report on companies' activities throughout one particular year. So when we talk about this year, we are specifically talking about the financial year, how company has performed in the last financial year, that you can easily find out from the annual reports of the company. So all the detailed information you will find out in these reports. But when we want only income statement and balance sheet for understanding the company's financial condition, so you need to first download these reports. Okay, we'll see where and how you're going to get these reports. When we talk about this annual report specifically, that these reports are prepared for external reporting. So if you remember, in the first year we have discussed there are different stakeholders, or what we say, the people who are associated with the business one or the other way. So which includes employees, customers, government, general public, suppliers, okay? Then regulatory authorities, banks and financial institutions, even general public. So all these people, one or the other way, are associated with the company. So company prepares these reports specially for communication to all these stakeholders. Now, since these are the companies which are listed ones, which are public limited companies, so the statements will be disclosed or the reports will be published on the company's website. So you can see, when I want to find out something about the company's activities and the financial performance, I need to go to the annual reports. So you can see this annual reports provides the information about what all different activities that the company has performed in the last financial year. And apart from that, you can easily identify financial performance of a company. So all the different business operations will also be covered in the annual reports. But when we talk about financial statements, we are specifically going to check out the financial highlights and not all the details. There may be auditor's report also. Now, first of all, the company prepares the statements. Then they may be carrying out the audit, where the auditor is going to verify the statements with the evidences and the proofs that you may have kept. So they will check out if you have followed all the different rules, practices, and the authentic data while recording the transactions or not. And then even auditor publish a report. That report can also be seen in this annual reports. These annual reports are basically going to help all the different stakeholders of the business for taking decisions. Now, these decisions may be different based on the stakeholders. Bank will decide whether to give loan, sanction loan to this firm or not. Suppliers are going to decide whether to give raw material to this firm on credit basis or not. Employees are going to decide whether they want to be in that company or they want to join some other company because there's no future growth prospects in the company. So each and every stakeholder will be looking out at these reports from the different perspective. So for making different decisions, these different stakeholders are going to refer to this annual reports. Now, when we say about financial accounting, the major objective is to communicate. So that is the reason why we also say accounting is language of business. So whatever is happening in the business, we are communicating with the help of accounting. So we are communicating through these statements to the different stakeholders. Then we are publishing these statements using the online platform. All the information, complete, fair, and the full information is published. Okay. Then these statements are prepared is to find out whether company has suffered the loss or company has got the profit in the last financial year. Now, this is how you can understand all these statements which we are preparing, financial statements and all. The main purpose is to report to external parties, that is customers, employees, government, general publics, and then a bank and other financial institutions and many more. Okay. So, suppose if anybody wish to find out how much the sales growth has taken place. Now in annual reports, all these different types of graphs may be there compared with the earlier years, how the sales have grown, how the turnover has grown, how profitability has grown. So all the detailed information you will find out in the annual reports. Okay. All the detailed information will be available in the annual reports. Now, when we are talking about the accounting cycle, so whenever there's a business transaction which is taking place, that is entered in the books of accounts on daily basis. Then we post all these entries to the account form, that is in ledger account posting we do. Then before just the year end or at the time of the year end, we close all these accounts to find out the closing balances of each account, and we prepare a list of all those closing balances, that is called as a trial balance. Okay. Now this list is going to help you prepare the financial statements. Now you can understand when we talk about financial statement is an end product. So actually what these statements are going to reflect is whatever has happened in the company in the last financial year. So it talks about all the different business transactions which have taken place over a period of time. Means one particular accounting year may whatever has happened, that will be reflected in this financial statements. If you see, okay, how the financial statements and annual reports are related. So first of all, you can see this is something like annual report. Okay. So you can see next is financial statements. In the annual reports, you will find out the financial statements. And when we say financial statements, we mean income statement, that is profit and loss account details, then balance sheet, that is the statement of assets and liabilities. So you can see in the annual reports, your financial statements are included. When we say financial statements, we specifically are going to refer to only profit and loss account and the balance sheet. Cash flow and other details are not required at your level. Okay. So now a complete set of financial statement, when we say, so it includes profit and loss account, a balance sheet, then it also includes statement which shows changes in equity. Then there may be explanatory notes or something like working notes, how the calculations are made. Then there may be a list of policies or rules which are being followed when they have prepared those statements. Then there will be cash flow statement as well. So out of all these statements, we are specifically going to refer to only these two, profit and loss account and balance sheet, for calculation of ratios. Now you can see what income statement includes, what balance sheet includes. So income statement shows whatever has happened in the business. That is, we are talking about production and sale. Okay. Purchase of raw material, production is being carried out, and then sale has taken place. So all that will get reflected in your profit and loss account. So profit and loss account includes details of income, expenses, losses, and the gains that the company has got in a particular financial year. So this statement or this account is specifically relating to a certain period of time, so which starts from 1st April of 1 year to the 31st March of the next year. Okay, so you can see this is in account form. Now if you compare this with this, if you compare profit and loss account with the balance sheet, you will say this will show the business operations, this will show the financial operations exactly, or financial performance of a company. This shows income, expenses and other things. It shows financial condition by showing how much property that the company has, that is the assets that it has, and all the different liabilities that the company has. Okay, so it covers specific period of time, that is a one accounting year. But when we prepare a balance sheet, we write as on 31st March, means that is going to be valid only on one single day, right? This is going to show you only performance on the 31st March, not for the entire year. This shows entire year. Okay, this is in account form, this is in statement form, that you already know, right? Now, where to find these statements? You can easily see first the company which you are thinking about. You need to search that company's name in the Google search you can make. And next, once you go to the company website, once you find out the link for that company's website, you can go to the company's website. On company's website, there may be investor sections, there may be investors information, or instead it may be called as investors relations. Go to this column, then select this one, then next you will get the annual reports. Now see, you need to search the recent annual report, and from that select a specific year. Now in this you will find a list, year wise list may be there on the website of 2019 20, 18 19, 17 18. Out of all of them, you can refer to at least one annual report and select a specific year. That is what is I mean by this 2019 20. Then download that annual report. Now next, from that report, now that report may be of hundreds of pages, 100, 200, 300 pages report. Out of that, we require only 2 pages. One is profit and loss account and the balance sheet. You can also find it out. Control find key use करके you can find out in that report where that profit and loss account is and where that balance sheet is. So back to back, these 2 pages, you need to get them printed, or you download that PDF. In PDF, you have one option, take a snapshot. So only take snapshot of those 2 pages, combine it together